Yo, what the fuck? Yo, reload. What the hell? Nah. Okay, it's loading. Yeah. Denji. Oh my god. He's dying. We are back in the shed and he is dying. Oh my fucking god, brother. Feels like I had a good dream. Good dream? Oh my fucking god. Feels like I had a good and bad dream. Bye. We are back to the first chapter. Oh my god. Wish I'd only have good dreams. Like eating with a girl and playing video games. I want a pet dog too. Bro, you are killing me. Oh my god. You are killing me. How many pages? 32 pages. I want a pet dog too. Look at him, bro. He's looking miserable. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh shit. He's going there. Where he fights as a chainsaw. What we want is the devil's power. And what I want is a... Okay, I saw the left panel, bro. Oh my god. This is what we were thinking of. Is this gonna be the longest read of part 2? क्योंकि इतने में तो पार्ट 2 के कोई भी चैप्टर खत्म हो जाता था. ये तो ऊपर से 32 पेजेस का है. अभी 5 पेजेस हुए हैं. ओ माय गॉड. आई एम इन फॉर राइड. Oh man, am I really gonna kick the bucket before even one good thing could happen to me? Oh my god, bro, that's the... It's... Oh! I'm jumping IL. Yo! Bro, power! Blood. Give it back. It's all mine. This human smells like a dog. Peek. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, brother. This is a contract. I'll give you my life. I'll give you my life. I'll give you life. In exchange, you're mine until you die, bro. Oh my god. Fujimoto, are you cooking? What the fuck? Oh my fucking god. Look at those silhouettes. Is she who I think she is? Oh, oops. Thought you were the zombie devil. Look at the silhouette, man. You beat those guys, you could be useful. From today on, you both belong to me. Okay. Bro, what the fuck? Load it. Oh my god. Yeah, it's loading. Manga plus. Hopefully it's all fine. Bro, come on. Boo-hoo. Manga plus, this is not it. Manga plus, come on. Oh my fucking god, brother. 13 pages, right? Wait, let me go back. Bro, like, I saw this and I was like, yo, power. From today on, you both belong to me, okay? Okay, it is loaded now. I haven't seen. मैंने slide करके देखा तो पेज आ गया था. तो मैंने पूरा देखा नहीं है उसमें क्या है. Belong to you? I think not. Humans really are idiotic. Humans, behold my battle prowess. I am Power, the Blood Devil. Oh my fucking god, brother, don't attack. My power is set to equal that of a god. Take this. Yo! Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's fucking go, brother. Let's fucking go, brother. Bang and boom. Look at the bottom panel. I haven't even seen that yet. Bro, मैंने अब तक देखा नहीं था ये क्या था. Oh my fucking god, bro. Happy ending. Fujimoto giving us a happy ending. Oh my god. A devil at a school? Yep, I'm busy. You two go kill it by yourselves. So busy. Video games? Lucky. Meowie likes her. Why? Meowie knows ball. Meowie shouldn't love anyone but me. That girl has to be the control level or something. Oh boy, Power, are you? Right. Must be nice to have a happy-go-lucky brain like yours. I'm not happy. That girl gets to keep Meowie and a bunch of dogs. My only pet is you and you aren't even cute. Powie weapon. Huh? What do you want to kill with today? I used an axe the other day, so give me a Yo, 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 yo. The devil's been exterminated. This area's safe. Don't touch the blood or the body, please. I wish I could have gone to school too. Oh, oh, oh. Yo, yo, yo. Fujimoto. Hey, Power, isn't that a devil too? Third, Power, hey. This blood. I love this. I love this. Damn it. Oh my fucking god, bro. Bro, come on. Come on, man. Come on. Chopper, don't do this to me. My fucking god, brother. Okay, the page is loaded now. We'll continue where we left off. Wait. Running. Stopped. Bro, will he get flashes of his memory or nah? Of course she tripped. Of course she tripped. Fujimoto, you are the goat. I love you. Chainsaw. He dropped the chainsaw. He held her. The chicken is off. Oh, oh. Where is my desk? Peek. My bad. I love. There's a fucking huge grin on my face, man. Fujimoto, I love you. Thank you. Huh? Thank you, Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man? Because you were fighting with a chainsaw. Oh. Yo, my pochta boy. Pochta, my boy. I mean, okay, man. Chainsaw Man, because you were fighting with a chainsaw. Oh yeah. Bye then. Hey, that devil. Bro, I love this. I love this shit. Oh my god, Chopper, not again. Load that shit. Only 5 pages left. I'm hungry. I want food. My heart like thumped for a second there. Oh, you have heart thumb disease? I know about it because I have medical knowledge. Treat me to a meal and I'll cure it for you. Bro, my boy Denji is in love. Oh my god, Chopper, not again. Chopper, you are not doing this shit with me. You are not slick with it. चॉपर बेटा बस दो पेजेस बचे हैं. 2 पेजेस की बात है. एक पार्ट 3 का कंटिन्यूएशन वाला चीज़ मिल जाए मुझे तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. फूजीमोटो अब तक तो कुक ही कर रहे हो. ओके फकिंग हेल, शी इज प्लेइंग अ फुटबॉल. ओके मैन, ओके. Denji, just enroll in the school, Denji. We are having fried chicken, right? And egg rolls, right? And okay, I saw what's on the bottom. Okay, man. Okay. And fried rice, ramen, and pot stickers, and ice cream on the way home. I'm broke. Let's go shake down our seniors. Bro, I'm afraid to turn the page, but I have to. Panchayat bhejot! Oh my god, bro. Fujimoto cooked, but bro, I needed that part 3. Oh my god, bro.